You have thought to give IELTS? Well, it's very interesting test. International English Language Testing System. There are two categories, academic and general. Academic for students, those who are thinking to do their further studies overseas, and general is for those who are going for permanent residency or for work. So today I will love to discuss about academic. There are two tasks, whether it's academic or general. Task 1, which is in academic, is your charts, and in your general there are letters. So task 2 is similar in both academic and general, that is an essay. So task 1 in both the categories academic and general is 150 words, and in your task 2 of both the side is your 250 word limit. So let's learn about today about task 1 of academic. There are 6 types: pie, bar, line, table, map, and your flowchart. Let me give you a hint. Bar, pie, line, and table, these all we use with your past tense, past passive and past simple. And flowchart we always use with your present simple and present passive. And your last one, which is your map, that we always use according your time duration. If there is a one map and other map, one is of your past and one is of your future, or one is of your present, so according that we use map. So this was a very short review about the task 1, how to use and what are the right sentence to use in your task of academic task 1. Thank you.